Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with ThreatConnect step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity framework. Identify critical assets and prioritize them based on risk. Engage all relevant stakeholders from IT, compliance, and executive teams. Establish clear objectives for scaling your cybersecurity efforts. Research ThreatConnect's features and capabilities to align them with your needs. Sign up for a trial or demo to familiarize yourself with the platform. Set up a centralized ThreatConnect account for your organization. Integrate existing security tools and data sources into ThreatConnect. Customize dashboards to visualize key metrics and threats in real time. Utilize threat intelligence feeds to enhance situational awareness. Configure automated alerts for immediate detection of suspicious activity. Develop playbooks that outline response strategies for various threat scenarios. Train your team on how to effectively use ThreatConnect's functionalities. Conduct regular simulations to test your incident response plans. Review and refine processes based on feedback from these simulations. Monitor the performance of your cybersecurity initiatives continuously. Use insights gained from ThreatConnect to inform future security investments. Document your progress and iterate on your strategies as needed. Engage with the ThreatConnect community for ongoing support and best practices. Stay updated on cybersecurity trends to adapt your strategy accordingly. Prepare for periodic assessments to measure the effectiveness of your scaled efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.